Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Les Waller with Financial Independence Now, and today's topic is Military Retirement Checklist, Jobs for Veterans. In 2000, when I was about to retire from the Marine Corps, there was not a lot of resources set up specifically for veterans. I mean, you had things like Monster Jobs and a few other sites like that, but you were competing with everyone else for the same jobs with the same employers. As it was, I was trying to enter a completely new field with no experience at 38 years old. So I had my bachelor's degree in computer science and my Microsoft MCSE plus Internet and A plus certifications. And that was it, other than some hands-on stuff I had done at home over the years. I found myself competing with 18 to 22-year-olds with the same experience, but I had a need for a higher salary since I had a family to support as well. Then to top it all off, I was looking for a contracting job overseas because I did not want my daughter to have to go back to public school in the U.S. I wanted her to have a better education opportunity in some form of international school. Well, that brings us today, and the job market is worlds apart from where it was almost 20 years ago. I'm going to give you 12 resources for jobs as part of a new military retirement plan. Within each of these sites are listed job opportunities for veterans. Let's get started, shall we? First, in no particular order, GI Jobs. GI Jobs states, our mission is to simplify the military transition experience using education and employment tools and resources to guide you to a successful career. They have several guides for you to download for free. We go to the bottom of their page here. They have the mother of all transition guides and getting a job field manual. They frequently publish articles on transitioning between the military and civilian life, entertainment news, jobs for veterans, and education. There is an alphabetical listing of companies hiring veterans. So you can see here, we have the alphabetical listing up here, starting with A, working our way down. An alphabetical listing of schools. You can search by degrees, programs, or location. Resource Center. You can view sponsored employers and apply for jobs. Transition resources down here. I'm just going to put a link to marinehelpingveterans.com in the article that has the links for all of these resources. So if you'll visit that site, you can go ahead and grab one of the links there and get to these sites easily. The next resource is Feds Hire Vets. It's a government-run website by the Office of Personnel Management. There are 4 main tabs at the top of the page broken up into job seekers, federal employees, hiring officials, and Veterans Council. The job seekers section, which is where we're on now, provides information on federal employment process, veterans, family members, things you should know, and veterans' preferences. Federal employment process, veterans' preferences, special hiring authorities, featured jobs, and reference materials. The federal employee section is for those who have been hired as a federal employee and has information on veterans' preferences, leave administration, retirement, National Guard and Reserve, and other relevant career information. Veterans' preferences, leave administration, federal retirement, National Guard and Reserve, and relevant career information. The hiring officials section has information for those employers who are interested in hiring veterans and discusses strategic recruitment and hiring, provides resources, provides reintegration framework, and explains veteran employment initiatives. So the strategic recruitment and hiring, reintegration framework, veteran initiatives, and reference materials. The Veterans Council provides information on just that, to include an agency directory, press releases, a document on employment of women veterans, and the government-wide Veterans Recruitment and Employment Strategic Plan. The Council administration, veteran employment data, press releases, and an agency directory. The next site is VA Careers and Employment. The U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs offers to support veterans with a service-connected disability to getting more training for new job opportunities, to starting or growing your own business. There are 3 sections with additional links to resources. Get Career and Employment Assistance here. Manage Your Career here. And more information and resources down below. The next resource is LinkedIn for Vets. That's right, LinkedIn has its own section. LinkedIn is offering to eligible service members, veterans, and military spouses 1 year of free access to LinkedIn Premium and LinkedIn Learning. That's at least a $360 cost for free. What a great value. I can tell you that as I've established myself on LinkedIn over the years, that I frequently get job offers that I don't get from any other platform. This is definitely worth checking out by those who qualify. And even if you do not, the free service that I use has plenty of benefits. Oh, select Premium for your different branch of service here. Veteran Opportunity Report. And connecting military community with leading employers. Next up is Hire Heroes USA. Hire Heroes USA provides personalized job search assistance for transitioning U.S. military members, veterans, and military spouses. The services are free and for the most part are done online, which allows them to help the person regardless of where they are in the world. Just as an aside, I'll put an additional link down below, but I have just recently been given my end of employment notice because of 20% budget cut in our company by the government. So I am also on the job search, and after I've finished making this video, now that I've reminded of this site that I put up, I am going to look through these as well over this weekend and see how they can help me get a job. So let's continue. Next up is Hire Veterans. Hire Veterans appears to be a job board and is for those who already have a prepared resume. You either search for a job position or can create a resume on their site for employers to search. They also have a listing of companies, job fairs, and job news. See here, they've got employers. They've got jobs, job fairs, job news. Lots of great information here on this site as well. Next up is military.com, veteran jobs. See here in the tab, we go right here to veteran jobs. One of the largest military and veteran membership organizations, military.com veteran jobs, several relevant sections to look through, including industry job search for veterans, job hunting resources, veteran employment manual, free resume service, security clearance jobs, latest in veteran jobs, find veteran-friendly employers, latest job hunting advice, and military spouse employment. Then the next on our list is Vet Jobs. Vet Jobs is a nonprofit organization that provides free employment, placement, and career progression services to transitioning active duty, reserves, and veterans. There is an employer login, veterans login, where they can search jobs and post a resume, and a spouse login. You can see here, if we click on jobs, Hot jobs for the week. Job seekers have job placement assistance, military service employment journal, training. Next up is Fastport. What appears to have initially been a portal to find trucking jobs, Fastport has expanded into all areas of business. You can search by job company and listing, or search by using a map and looking at jobs within the area you live or would like to relocate. It is worth looking into, especially if you have experience in vehicles, driving, or logistics. As we are a job seeker, let's go ahead and click on that. Technology built to connect, a resume writing tool, paid apprenticeships. Here's what it looks, the job search page looks like. Following that is military hire. Military hire not only has a place for you to post your resumes and search for jobs, but also has articles that give you information on how to better your odds of landing the job you want. At the bottom of the page is a list of current job fairs around different bases, career fairs, and events. All these in November. Next up we have Higher Purpose. Higher Purpose incorporates 3 brands: Higher Purpose, Task and Purpose, and Military One Click. Their goal is to help transitioning service members, veterans, and military spouses find careers that they will enjoy. From within the site, you can explore jobs, search companies, and a page that offers articles about service members that have successfully transitioned into a civilian job. Post your resume here, job alerts, employers directory. Go alphabetically. You can do a search for by job, by location, task and purpose. Looks like they have lots of pop-up ads. I don't like that. Next up, we have Rally Point. According to Rally Point, their purpose is to bring together the military community and give them a common platform to discuss military topics socially and professionally. They provide tools that can be used from when they first enter the military throughout their career and back into civilian life. Finally, that leads us to Financial Independence Now, which is the YouTube channel you're watching. I spent 20 years in the military and another 19 supporting the military as a contractor, and now starting my journey towards financial freedom by establishing a home-based internet business. If you're interested in building your own internet business and work from the comfort of your home after you leave the military, then take a look at my YouTube channel, which you already have here, or also visit my webpage, marinehelpingveterans.com. Don't hesitate to leave comments in any of the articles that I've posted there. I will gladly respond to your comments or answer any questions that you have. Thank you for your service and dedication to our great country. This is me, Les Waller, Staff Sergeant, United States Marine Corps, retired. In 2000, when I was about to retire from the Marine Corps, there was a lot of This is definitely worth checking out by those who qualify. And if you do not, even if you do not go for the free service that I use, back up.